Natural ingredients to lighten skin. Yogurt. Yogurt, a byproduct of milk, has many nutrients that are good for the skin. It also contains lactic acid that has bleaching properties. Gently rub plain yogurt onto your skin. Leave it on for a few minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Alternatively, mix 1 tablespoon of fresh yogurt with 1/2 tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture on your face and neck. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with water. Do this daily to improve your skin tone and complexion. Oranges. The most important ingredient in skincare is vitamin C, which you can get large amount of oranges. Oranges have bleaching properties that can lighten your skin tone. Regular consumption of fresh orange juice can greatly improve the overall texture of your skin as well as its suppleness. Combine 2 tablespoons of orange juice and a pinch of powdered turmeric. Apply this mixture on your face and neck before going to bed. You can also apply it on your hands and legs. Wash it off after 40 minutes. This will help lighten spots and marks on your skin. Apply twice in a week. Honey. Honey helps bleach skin while also acting as a moisturizing agent. Apply pure honey to your face, leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. This simple remedy will help remove dead skin cells and makes your skin appear brighter and fresher than before. Alternatively, combine 1 tablespoon each of honey and lemon juice one tablespoon of powdered milk and few drops of almond oil. Mix them well and apply it gently on the skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Lemons. The acidic property in lemons works as a natural bleaching agent for the skin, and the high amount of vitamin C in them encourages new cell growth. Dip a cotton ball in freshly squeezed lemon juice and apply it directly on your face. You can even rub a cut lemon directly over the affected skin and allow the juice to stick to the skin and then wash your face with normal water. This simple remedy will surely lighten your skin complexion and can also prevent the development of scars on your face. Alternatively, mix together 1 teaspoon of each lemon juice, powdered milk and honey. Apply it on your skin and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing it off. By following these simple remedies, you can achieve your desired beauty easily at home. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.